Hello guys, welcome back with the speed test. Yes, the speed test, the first Friday of the month in today's newspaper on a Friday, October the 6th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku, in 8 minutes. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. But first, the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, speed test without comments, without instructions, and this will be number 7,333. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 printed digits should be an easy one if you compare with the other. Other jigsaw Sudokus, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Maybe it's a 1 star, maybe it's 2 stars. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. But it's a speed test without comments, so let's get started. Almost 2 minutes pass. Okay. Here we have 2 numbers left. 4, 2. Here the boxes of 1. Here, wow, 4 boxes of 1. Do we have a dual box? No, triple box. Quadra boxes. 1, 1. 4, 4, 2. Quadra boxes 4. Then quadra boxes, more quadra boxes, no quadra boxes. 1, 1, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 1, 1. No 1 there. No 1 there. 1, 1. 2 and a 4. Oh, 2 and a 4. Almost made a mistake. 3 is this. 3, 3. 1 and a 2. No 2 there. 2, 3 and a 5 here. 1, 2, 4, 4, 4. Then let me see. 2, 2, 2, 3 and a 5. Oh, we have a 3 here. Come on. This should be the 4. 2, 1 and a 5. 2. No 5 here. 3 here. Come on. 2, 1, 1. This can be a 1, 1, 4. No 4 here, no 1 there. 1 and a 4. Oh, this should be the 1. This should be the 4. This should be the 3. Yeah, almost made a mistake. 1 and a 5. Okay. Then no 2 here. 2. No 2 here. No 3 here. 1, 2. 1, 1. Come on. No 2 here. 1, 2. No 2 here. And I cannot place the 2 here. No 1 there. No 1 here. 1, 1. No 1 here. No 1 here. No 1 there. 1. This should be the 1 then. No. No 3. 3 should be here. No 3 here. Need a 4, need a 2, no 2, no 2 there, 3, no 3 here. This cannot be a 3, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 5. This should be the 2, this should be a 4 then. This should be the 2, no 3 here. Oh, this should be the 3. This should be the 1. 4 and a 5. No 3 here. 2 and a 4. 3, 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No 1 here. 1, 1. This can be 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Thinking. No 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. 3, 5. This should be the 3. No 3. Okay, no 3. No 1. This should be the 1. 2 and a 5. Oh, this should be 1, 2, 2, 5. 2, 4. 1, 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 and a 1. This should be the 2. This should be a 1. No 2 here. No 2 there. This should be the 2. No 2 there. Double 2 here. 2. This should be a 4. No 4 there. 4. 2 and a 5. We have a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and a 5. 1, 5, 2. This should be the 3. 1 and a 5. Okay. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Come on. What's happening? Can I place the... I need to trigger those numbers. 1 and a 5. Haha. Yeah, I need to trigger those numbers, but how can I trigger? Oh, here the 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 1. 1, 5, 1, 5. 8 minutes. Minus 2, minus 1. 7 minutes. All right. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Without comments, without instructions. Speed test. Always the first Friday of the month. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.